Alright class, AC230, my name is Jeffrey Rubin, Madrid N471 on the blog. So I'm going to show you the steps I took to create my inexpensive air conditioning. So I hope you enjoy it and hope you guys get inspired and want to make it yourselves at home. So enjoy. Alright, so the materials for the air conditioning are this ventilation fan. Alright, ventilation fan. And I got this at Home Depot for about 15 bucks. This was probably the only thing that cost a decent amount of money, 15. And then this is the styrofoam cooler. The styrofoam cooler costs about $3 in your local supermarket. And on the inside is the fan. Alright, it's already built, but I'll go over the steps I did so you guys could understand how it all works. Alright, so like I said, you need the styrofoam cooler, the ventilation fan, find it at Home Depot or any other hardware store, electric tape, screwdriver, and these wire nuts here for the electricity. Okay, so the first thing you'd have to do is get the electricity part of the project out of the way, because it's probably the hardest part. Not that hard, but if you don't know about electricity, you'll have some difficulty. Right, so you see these three wires, green, white, and black. Alright, you'll have to take that out of this metal box where the fan is and connect it to a wire plug that has 3 wires in it also. So this has 3 wires inside, and you need these 3 wires to connect it with these 3 wires, the black, white, and green one. So what I did was I found a old laptop cable, and I cut it using a box cutter. I cut the piece off the other end, and I just peeled off the black cable and just divided the 3 wires like this. So you connect these 3, the white cable with the white cable from this charger plug, and the green cable with the green cable in this charger plug, and the black cable with this black cable inside the charger plug. Okay, so you would want to use the wire nuts. So what you would do is just put them together and just tighten them up for each wire. So white with white, black with black, and green with green. And you divide them here, and you'd put these wire nuts on top of them, on top of each connection. And then you just wrap them around with the black electricity tape, and you'd have that connection there, so you'll be able to put it in the outlet in the wall. So the other step is cutting out the hole for the fan. Alright, so what you do is you take this side of the fan and you press it up against the styrofoam cooler, and you apply pressure to it just enough to leave a mark or indentation or an impression into the styrofoam. So you could use that as an outline to cut the hole with a box cutter. So after you've cut out the hole and pop out the styrofoam piece. You push in the fan as far as you can into the hole, and then it'll just look like that. Alright. Okay, so the other step is to, with your screwdriver, you'd want to screw some holes in the back of the styrofoam cooler so that the air could come in from there and make its way into the fan and out the other side right here. Okay. Alright. So after you've done the holes, after you've done the wiring, which is not that hard, and you've assembled the fan, you've done your hole here, the next step and final step is to have your bottled ice ready to put inside the cooler. All right. So let me get the ice. All right, here's the ice. Now you just put it in here. Now, of course, the wiring needs to be protected with the electric tape, so the sweat from the water bottles or any other water doesn't mess around with the electricity part of the project. So I'll just use these just to demonstrate. If you want, you can use the smaller water bottles, which is better, because that helps ventilate the air more in the cooler. So then you cover it up. You cover it up and get rid of this. You cover it up. You take the outlet and you hook it up here. Into the wall then. And starts working. Alright. So the inside, the ice, the holes, the air's coming in. So you cover it. And there you go. The inexpensive styrofoam cooler air conditioning. And it's pretty good. Doesn't compare to a real air conditioning, but it's cheaper and it's a project you guys could do also. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys get inspired and want to make one yourselves at home. So thanks.